Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.
Our kidneys, even though they are relatively small organs, are very important. They are responsible for our body's vital functions. They eliminate toxins from our blood through their filtering system, regulate blood pressure, and much more. With our modern lifestyle and unhealthy eating habits, we don't always pay as much attention to our kidneys' health as we should, and there can be several consequences. The problem is that our kidneys can't always let us know that something is wrong, so we should avoid certain habits. Today we're going to teach you a juice recipe to maintain your kidneys' health using some powerful ingredients. Ingredients: 1/2 teaspoon of powdered turmeric, 2 teaspoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, 1 cup of watermelon juice, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Instructions: put the watermelon juice in a jar. Next, add the grated ginger, lemon juice, and turmeric powder and gently stir. Let it sit for 10 minutes, then strain it and store it in a bottle. You should drink this juice twice a day.